Here we go, kid. Room 106, the Courtyard in Owensboro, Kentucky. Been a while since I've been here, so I figured I'd give you a tour. Start off with the light switches off here to the right. This room does have adjoining rooms, as you can see. We'll go into the bathroom here. So this one is a wheelchair accessible shower, which is kind of trippy. The floor is not very straight. I don't know if you can tell from here, but it's very wavy. But this one, because it is the wheelchair accessible one, does have the regular shower head as well as the wand, and then the controls are off over here to the side. If we go on over to the toiletries here, we do have the Paul Mitchell toiletries. This one does come with a shower cap. We have Kleenex brand tissues. We have some Cottonelle professional brand toilet paper. Plenty of towels. There's only one of me here, so more than enough, obviously. We do have a mini fridge. So you can see inside there. It's my leftover dinner. Jean's health food store. It's awesome. Go check it out. Coffee maker with the pouches. We have decaf and regular. Let's go on over. Oh, this one does have actual glasses too. So there's that. We do have a thermostat here on the wall. The world's tiniest alarm clock. We do have an outlet, and we do have outlets over there. Moving on over to the other side of the bed, we have an outlet right there. We do have a little sofa chair, something, love seat, I guess. Love seat is good. With a little ottoman. Working desk area, we have a couple of outlets there, a couple more there. This does pull out. And then TV wise, you can see that we do have the internet TV options: Netflix, YouTube, Pandora, and then HBO Go. As far as the picture goes on this thing,
it really does encompass
pretty decent picture, pretty solid. I'm not gonna complain too much about that. If I could find something on TV, that would be awesome. Here we go. We're college basketball, and not the best picture there, you can tell, but it's looks better farther away than it does close. But anyway, enough of that. Let's go on out to the outside, just the parking lot. There's plenty of restaurants in the area. Actually, a decent little bit of walking that you can do as well. But yeah, that's it. Until next time.